Welcome to Shop Talk. Looking at that very popular McCulloch Super Pro 125 chainsaw. This one was in storage for years, and I pulled it out, gassed it up, fired right up. Runs beautiful. Did inspect the muffler, took the muffler off, inspected the motor. It's very clean inside, very good shape motor-wise. Just needs to be cleaned real well. Features a 36-inch Cannon bar, 63 gauge roller nose, and that's an Oregon 52AJ chain, very popular chain for the 70s. Fast cutting, chisel tooth, skip sequence. And we'll look at some of the features this saw has. Kill switch is right in the middle. Choke is on the right. Manual oiler as well as an automatic oiler. Decompression valve down here. You really need it on this high compression 125. That's a lot of saw. Top load on the gas reservoir as well as the oil reservoir. And this is just sawdust from use. It needs a good cleaning if you go to restore it for show. Large falling spike. Real popular wrap handlebars. Side cover's in great shape, just needs to be cleaned, and the muffler's in really good shape. Very nice Super Pro 125. You can see the spider webs there, just needs a good cleaning.